Hey pilots, it's Greg with Bad Rooster RC. And I'm doing a fluid test. We've got winds, high winds, 20 mile an hour, gusting up to 30, coming out of the west-northwest. And I've got the Convergence out here. That's what we're going to be doing with here today. But I wanted to get a stability test. This thing is really good. As you can see, my neighbor's spinner is going pretty good. So this will really give you an idea of how stable this thing can be, or it's going to be a crash. Hopefully it's not going to be after the time I put in it. But what I had to do with my run cam, I had to install it and turn the Wi-Fi on, and then I've got it hooked up to the run cam app on my phone, and that way I can manually go ahead and start the record. So without any ado, we're going to get this party started. Position this back here a little bit farther. There we go. Got a control surface test. Everything's functioning correctly. All right, here we go. Little close-up action there. Well, like I said, the winds are coming out of the west-northwest. It flies like a brand new plane out of the box. I am really happy with it. Now I'm running with a 3S11, no I'm sorry, 2230C, which is what it calls for. Now I've got some 3000s that I will put in it later, once I get it all painted up and everything and get it taped up, kind of protect it. Yeah, but it does really well so far. Go. All right, and we're going to get this out here and kind of do a little bit of a video out here. Okay. As you can see, those motors really, when they gust up like that, they really got to crank them up. Now it's set at 25% exponential on the aileron and the elevator. There is no rudder. Yeah, doing good. Got it set for a 5-minute timer. Very responsive, and it is pretty quick once you get it in the flight mode. Yeah. Woo, baby. It would be a hairy flight once up in the air, in flight mode that is. I mean, even as gusty as it is, it's doing very well. It's pretty easy to handle. I've had a lot of hours on the other frame, or the other fuselage rather, before I flew it into a tree. And I've got a video of my friend come over with his bucket truck and helped me retrieve it. And I think that's what did most of the damage, is when I got it out of the tree, and instead of catching it, I just let it fall to the ground, and I think that's what tore it up the most. But anyway, it's doing very well. I will upload the run cam footage as well as the GoPro footage here too today. Yeah, get back over here. Don't want to get too close to the road. Woo, yeah, I'm jumping up to a tree. Better get back over here. I've had more fun with this plane though. I mean, the other one, I had all the lights and everything on it, and it was awesome. I would like to get a Run Cam 2 Night Eagle and do some night flight with it. It's doing very well though. Doing very well. All right, there's my 1 minute timer. Nope, there we go. That was my 30-second timer. All right, yeah, hey, that was great. Did very well indeed. Well, folks, that's the E-flite Convergence, the new airframe, and excellent craft. I have enjoyed it very much. It hovers very well, as you can see, and it does very good in the flight, in flight mode. It handles, I think what I've seen so far, it handles a lot like the F-15 jet. But anyway, I hope everyone enjoyed the flight. If you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up. If you like the channel, please consider subscribing. I've had a little time to make videos here lately. A lot of things have been going on with the coronavirus and all that stuff, but hopefully things will settle down now and we can get some more videos in. But like I said, this is the E-flite Convergence. Awesome plane. I wish they still made them. You can still get them every once in a while on eBay. You'll see one, but mostly it's just parts because they quit selling them. So anyway, this is Greg with Bad Rooster RC, wishing everyone a wonderful day and happy flying.